Our top story at the moment, Labour Minister of Maharashtra Hassan Mushrif was bathed in milk by his supporters to purify him after a man threw ink at him at a program in Vidarbha. The man has been identified as Namdev Dongardive and is reportedly the district head of the physically challenged people's cell of the Nationalist Congress Party called the Apang Mahasangh Sena. Now, Dongardive went up to the dais at the function and threw the ink on Mushrif before handing over a written statement to the Labour Minister. He alleged that the minister was ignoring the demands of the physically challenged and was corrupt. After the incident, when the minister went back to his office, his supporters employed an unusual way to cleanse the minister with thousands of liters of milk. The supporters said that they appreciated and respected the minister, and this gesture was a symbol of their love for him. The opposition was quick to respond to the cleansing by stating that the ink might have been washed off, but the taint of corruption on Mushrif's image will be difficult to shake off.
काली जो पोती है उनके आंग पर, वो कहीं जाके दूध से धुल नहीं सकती है, और इसलिए मेरा मानना है कि इस प्रकार की कोई कृति से ये हो ही नहीं सकता है। अपना भ्रष्टाचार जो वो कर रहे हैं वो अगर बंद करे तो लोगों को समाधान होगा दूध से धोने के।
Vidya is now joining us with more details on that story from Mumbai. Vidya, what kind of reactions, apart from what we just heard, have been coming to this bizarre ritual that was employed by Hassan Mushrif's followers?
Well, certainly Hassan Mushrif himself has apologized for the kind of incident, but it's certainly not something, like there's a huge wastage of milk that we had seen. That number of liters of milk that we saw being wasted on a minister could really have fed so many more children and people. But obviously, the opposition is not taking this entire thing very lightly. They are the ones who are targeting him with various comments, like obviously one that whether Mushrif could really wash off all that that allegations that has been alleged with that milk, and also with a lot of other comments. And we have to really see, if this is the second time an NCP minister has done something like this. Earlier we had seen NCP leader who had spent crores of money on his daughter's wedding, child's wedding, and the leader of the NCP, that is Sharad Pawar, had actually made an allegation, had reprimanded him. It really has to be seen whether Sharad Pawar does so even this time around.
What about Sharad Pawar questioning him about the kind of resentment that exists against him from his own party members, because somebody from the NCP itself threw ink at him and alleged corruption on his part?
Well, it was certainly an incident that had happened in Buldhana, which the NCP has been saying that they are looking into it as to what really happened, what was the demand of this person, why he did not get the job that he wanted, what were the promises that Hassan Mushrif had made and which did not get fulfilled, which was the reason for the backlash. But certainly, the entire incident of cleansing in Kolhapur, that's not gone down well, and NCP ministers themselves have been laughing it out. But they certainly, everyone's just waiting for Sharad Pawar to really say something on this, because he was the one who had taken an earlier stand, when he had reprimanded someone from his own party for having splurged a lot of money on a wedding.
And Vidya, it's also very obvious from these visuals that Hassan Mushrif may have apologized later, but at that time he did not stop any of his men from pouring milk over him.
Well, in fact, he did not say a word. He seems to be actually enjoying what his followers are doing. What he had later said, however, that he did not know about the plans of the followers, when he had just gone there to Kolhapur to just probably be at the circuit house. But since he, the moment he reached there, the followers just asked him to come out of the car. They started doing it. He didn't know how to stop it, is what he says. And then, he obviously, for the entire splurging of this, precious milk that was done, for that he apologized. But that's obviously a later stand after so much of wastage has already been done.